Shantou Haofeng Crafts Co., Limited was founded in 2014. Located in Shantou, which is one of the 4 special economic zones in China. Taking advantage of geography, Haofeng set trade, design, research, development, and production as one. Haofeng are a professional enterprises of paper box, and our plant covers an area of about 4,000 square meters, more than 200 employees, 80% of production equipment automation. The continuous and stable production capacity has been fully guaranteed. Haofeng provide one-stop service from appearance design, proofing, production, and inspection to ensure that customers get the best and most convenient experience. Rich export experience and professional service team save clients valuable time and cost. Haofeng also inject the concept of environmental protection to bring quality products to clients, but also care about environmental protection. Haofeng strictly in accordance with the quality system standard, constantly innovate production technology and improve after-sales service to benefit clients. Haofeng continue to improve capabilities in product design, research and development. Printing technology covers art paper CMYK printing, spot color printing, hot stamping, glitter, UV spot, flocking and gold foil UV printing, etc. Depending on high quality, competitive price, innovative design and professional business team, Haofeng always receive compliments from clients all over the world. Our principle is win-win cooperation, common growth with clients.